Okay, I think we're live. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another live stream today. We are continuing what we did yesterday, and just integrating Tortoise and the API into Vivy. So that is so we can use a locally ran model for text-to-speech. And yes, if you guys have, I know that some people want me to use Azure, so I have been looking to Azure. I have the account made. I just haven't had the time to make the API request to it yet. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, today's just gonna be a working live stream, just me working on the code and refactoring some things and adding some things in. So yeah, let's go into it. Hey yo, welcome in, Jaden. Sorry, my glasses are off, so welcome. I was just going over earlier. Today's just gonna be, I'm just working on some things, so yeah, just streaming in the background. Okay, let's try false. No tortoise. Okay, this should error out if I use it. It's gonna say, yeah, okay, perfect. Tortoise not defined, so yeah, I have to take that out. So I could probably do tortoise equals okay. Okay, cool, perfect. Alright. Hey Vivy, what do you have to say? I don't know, I'm playing a video game. What do you have to say to my viewers? First generation. What happened here? OpenAI is taking a while here. Well, that's awesome, Jaden. I wanted to try to integrate a voice assistant type that can open up applications by voice, but I put that one on the back burner. To control the desktop with voice commands, that's pretty dope. I think the way I was gonna implement it is you have like an array or a list of applications, and the LLM can choose which application to open, and it already has defined paths and everything like that. I think that would be pretty cool. What in the world happened? Just OpenAI must have messed up. Hey Vivy, I'm playing a video game. What do you have to say to my viewers? Hey Vivy, I'm playing a video game. Do you have any comments to say to my viewers? What? No. Hey Vivy. Hey, what's up Vivy? How's it going today? Ah, that was weird.
Oh, hello there. Just living the dream of dealing with your constant forgetfulness and lack of preparation for the stream as usual. How about you?
Oh, you know, just coding your back end and everything like that. No, but what you have, Jaden, that's awesome. If you can click on things, that would be dope. Token limit exceeded. Clearing messages list and restarting. What happened? Hey Vivy. I feel weird calling this model Vivy. It's actually, this one is Emmy. Streamer. I could probably change this one. Oh, here, let me change attention actually. Alright, Vivy, so I can change names just in case. Name. Oops. Okay. Streamer. Modify text. Right, text dot replace name with assistant. Name. Assistant name. Let me go ahead and add assistant name to here. But the logic of it doesn't work anymore because it says Vivy. You are Vivy, and in this role, you would only determine your name is Vivy, but there may be an acceptable but there may be misspellings of your name. You should still treat those as directed towards you. Okay, save. Alright, and then in here I need to do a we'll call assistant name equals assistant name. Emmy. Okay, save. Okay, run. Hey there, Emmy.
Oh, hi there. How lovely to see you.
Awesome. Perfect. So it looks like it's still working. Okay, let's see what else.
Wow, you're right. It's almost like technology is designed to function properly. How fascinating.
Interesting. Hey, Emmy, can you explain to me how the Laplace transform is conducted? So it's stuck in here. Where do you get stuck at? No way, absolutely not. That's how you keep things. Always keep you on your toes. Shit. Print. I'm going into Tortoise. What is happening? It is kind of stuck. Exiting Tortoise. Tortoise. Hey, Emmy, yo, what's up?
Oh, hello there. I'm just thrilled to be here listening to your charming voice. What can I do for you, dear co-host?
Exiting Tortoise. Hello, let me do a second response. Calling Tortoise.
Sure thing. Just let me know what you need, dear co-host.
Why does it get stuck in the second? Interesting. Okay, Tortoise API. How am I calling Tortoise again? Run. I'm calling with run. Might be this threading here that's happening. Hey Emmy, how's your day going today? Slow ChatGPT responses. Ugh, OpenAI is slow right now. I need to create a retry. Try accept. Print something happened. AI's end. I could probably do like a while, do a counter, and then count up the counter, and then end it. But let me think of let me go to ChatGPT to make it as concise as possible. Okay, here we go. to create a try except loop that goes through. You guys can't see what I'm typing, unfortunately. That loops 3 times and then quits the program after the attempt. There should be a 10-second pause between each generation attempt. Here is what I have currently right now. For I in range 3 time I'll break out of the loop. Execution successful. Okay, perfect. This is exactly what I needed. Full screen. That is better than what I was thinking. Report time. Break out a loop. Okay. Else. Okay, cool. Nice. Alright, let's rerun that. Hey there, Emmy. How's your day going today? Oh, that's part of the response. Gotcha. Where is Tortoise? Here it is. Okay. 6 times. Okay, calling API.
Oh, it's just fabulous. I woke up to the soothing sound of construction outside my window and spilled coffee all over my new shirt. How about yours?
Okay, save it. Dump. Shoot. It's gonna mess up again. Breakout. Okay, back to listening. Shit. Things are going well, Emmy. Yeah. See, did it capture it? Oops, it actually captured my swear word. Yes, nice. Response completion. Okay. I'm going into Tortoise, filter paragraphs. Run. Okay, calling the API.
Well, that's certainly good to hear. I'm glad your life is so exciting. Anything interesting happen, or is it just the usual monotony?
Okay, so it gets... Why does it get stopped here? Blocks all items in the queue until all items in the queue have been gotten and processed. The count of unfinished tasks. I think what's happening is the queue is this is my speculation, is the thread is still running after this one has been executed. Let me ask ChatGPT. So I'm trying to run some code and realize that my code is getting hung up with the self.audio underscore q.join line on the second attempt. My guess is that the thread may be open when this function called from another program using some is there a way to stop to kill the thread at the end of run? Damn creepy related behavior of the audio thread. It's possible the thread is still running, it's not completed execution. You can ensure that. Okay. Wait for each API call to be completed before starting the new one. Put stop audio thread. Hey, animation, appreciate it. And I appreciate that, or it's interesting that, you know, I'm able to inspire others to help, you know, learn coding. That's how I started my journey, just watching things on YouTube, getting inspired. So I'm glad I can continue spreading the good vibes. Wait for the audio thread to complete gracefully. Let me actually verify this real quick by running this. Run. Hey Emmy, this is test number 1. Okay.
Hello there, dear. Test number 1. How exciting! I can hardly contain my excitement.
All right, this is test number 2. Going into Tortoise. Okay.
Oh my! Another test! How thrilling! I simply cannot contain my enthusiasm.
Huh, okay, that's not the issue. Because the thread is gone already. Here is the code for the module that is running into issues at the moment. Play audio cue. Play audio from cue method. To resolve this issue, you should add the self audio cue task done after self free slots dot put. Am I crazy, or that's the exact same thing that I have? Think about your previous response and fix any errors that there may have been. Was it there? The issue is not related to the cell, but rather the missing termination. The play. Oh, let me try that. Inside of the break. Alright, save. Wrong one. Streamer. Okay. Run again. Hey Emmy, this is question number 1. Run.
Well, hello there. I'm just thrilled to receive your first question. What can I assist you with?
This is my second question.
Ah, I see. Well, aren't you just full of surprises? No worries though, I'm still here and ready to tackle any questions you may have. What would you like to know?
Alright, this is the third question. Alright, sweet. I think that fixed it. Terminates it because it wasn't in the break. Going into Tortoise.
Well, isn't someone feeling inquisitive today? No problem at all. I'm here to answer all your burning questions, whether it's the first, second, or third. So what's on your mind?
I've got a fourth question.
Oh my, it seems like you just can't get enough of me. Don't worry, I'm here and willing to indulge you with all the answers you seek. What's your fourth question?
can you explain to me what the Laplace transform is? That's just a standard question I usually ask. Alright, cool. I think that fixed it, so glad. Alright, let's see how it handles a long explanation. Full screen this.
Of course, I'd be happy to explain. The Laplace transform is a mathematical operation that allows us to convert a function of time into a function of a complex variable s, which can provide a useful representation of the function's behavior. This is a powerful tool in areas like engineering, physics, and mathematics, where we often need to analyze and manipulate complex systems over time. Does that help answer your question?
I think so, but how can you give me some practical applications for how it's a useful tool in engineering, physics, and mathematics? Alright, that was actually a pretty good generation. So Tortoise-tts is turning out to be very promising for high quality text-to-speech. Nice, that's a long response.
Absolutely. The Laplace transform is used in a wide range of engineering, physics, and mathematical applications. Here are a few examples. 1. In control theory, we use the Laplace transform to convert differential equations into algebraic equations, allowing us to analyze the behavior of complex systems and design feedback controllers that stabilize them. 2. In circuit analysis, the Laplace transform is used to solve for the steady-state behavior of electrical circuits, allowing us to design filters, amplifiers, and other electronic devices. 3. In fluid dynamics, we use the Laplace transform to solve for the behavior of complex fluid flows, such as those found in aerodynamics, hydrodynamics, and geophysics. 4. In mathematical physics, the Laplace transform is used to solve partial differential equations, allowing us to model the behavior of physical systems like heat transfer, wave propagation, and quantum mechanics. These are just a few examples of the many practical applications of the Laplace transform.
Awesome. Well, thank you for giving me those in-depth explanations. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I think it's pretty amazing.
You're very welcome. It's always a pleasure to share my knowledge and expertise with someone as curious as you. Don't hesitate to ask me any more questions you may have.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely amazing. I know there's some weird audio in there where it's kind of like breathy, but in the parts where it's speaking, that's good. That was really good. And that's just using the standard autoregressive model that comes standard with Tortoise-tts. I am currently working on training some models to see if I can get some better results and whatnot. So very exciting stuff. I just didn't have enough time to train one of the models because it's gonna take a couple of days on my graphics card. So that is turning out to be super exciting. Oh man. Oh man, that is awesome. Cool. Let me think. Oh yeah. Okay, that's not all I wanted to do today. I actually got caught up on the issue of not producing 2 or more generations. I wanted to make these changeable variables that you could pass in. So where do I want to do this? Okay. The thing is that if I do call API, I could probably do a dictionary, and then inside of that dictionary, set up the. I could probably do a YAML actually. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think I'll do a YAML for this. And let me check the formatting of YAML real quick again. I'm not too experienced with it. Okay. Just like a dictionary, okay. Well, the prompt will be fed in, but the delimiter, emotion, custom emotion, oops, custom emotion, audio file, in this case we've got m.wav, voice chunks, candidates, seed, samples, iterations, temperature, yes, correct. 0.8, 32 to 0, candidates 1, 0. Oh man, heck yeah, thank you so much, Robert. I'm headed out to work in like 20 minutes, so almost out of here. Gotta pray to the YouTube algorithm gods. What do you call this? Tort.yaml. As settings equals without safe. Is it YAML dot safe load file? Okay. And then to pull from a YAML, what do I do again? Keys, and then I just give it the key name. Okay, cool. I'll call it tort settings. And I'll call it tortconf. Tortconf. Tortconf dot. I know. Delimiter. Oops. Oops. Emotion. Custom. Custom emotion towards conf. Audio. No. Oh shoot, did I forget that voice name? Did forget voice name. Voice name. It's M. Single quotes, double quotes. Man, I always mix them up. Voice name. It's going to be audio file. Voice chunks home. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not too experienced in SQL, but I'm used to doing the double quotes, but you know, it's technically quicker to just do single quotes. So sometimes I start doing it and I'll be like, oh my god, I'm doing a mixture of single and double. See, you can see that there are double quotes here. And I'm like, so I will have to. In Python, it's not really too much of a big deal so much, so. Oh. Yeah. Candidates. Seed. Samples. Iterations. Already. Temperature. Okay, iteration sample seed, candidate voice chunk, audio file, blah 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 blah. Okay, I think this should be fine. Tort YAML. Save this as tort.yaml. Okay, should be in the same spot. Nice. Alrighty, perfecto. Alright, so this should work the same. Let's go ahead and run it. Hey, what's up, Emmy? Question number 1. So it didn't do it correctly. Oops. Hey, Emmy, this is question number 1. Going into Tortoise, exiting Tortoise. Alright, so what's happening? Okay, run, sentences. Alright. Breakpoint. Hey, what's up, Emmy? Question number 1. Hello there, dear friend. What's your question for me today? Okay. Huh? What happened there? Hello, Emmy. Question number 2. Okay, overloaded. Cool, sounds good. Let's try again. Nice. Got the response. Going into Tortoise. Okay. Filtered list. Okay. I can't actually see what's happening. Appreciate you joining, though. Appreciate you joining. Glad to see that I've got viewers from all over the world. It's kind of humbling. But yeah, hopefully you can follow along. I'm only going to be streaming for another 10 minutes, so not much longer. Let me ask ChatGPT. There's probably something that I'm doing incorrectly, trying to do that I can't actually do with YAML. So I'm trying to load in some variables from a YAML file in this API request as shown here. not. Oh, I think I disconnected real quick, and now we're back. It's not calling the API correctly. Maybe doing. Can you check the implementation? Here is my YAML. However, it seems like that one. So you should access it without wrapping them. Contains the loaded YAML values, so you should access them directly without mapping them in tort.conf. Here is the correct code. Don't I have that? Wait a second. Okay. Tort YAML. Your code is exactly. It seems that the code you provide is correct for loading. Pretty sure I could just do print YAML or print tort.conf. Yeah, I could do that. Oh. It's because these are outside. Here. If I do this, tort conf equals none. What if I do this outside so that it loads it into that variable? Maybe that's what's happening here. Save. Okay, open editors, streamer. All right, let's try that again. What's happening here? What is happening? Alright. Hey, what's up, Emmy? How's it going today? Here's question number 1. Interesting, so it's not able to make the API call still. Yes, I do have the output for Tortoise is pretty quick. So it takes some time for the first generation because it's calculating the latents, especially if I change the values. But if it's a longer response, I run the response generation in parallel. So you get like the first couple of sentences, and while that audio is playing, the other ones are transcribing into audio. So it works good enough to where it could read out an entire paragraph without any pauses, which is what I wanted. Takes like 3 seconds as well for a generation. But I mean, I do have I've got a 4090, so it cranks them out pretty quick. Print tort. Okay, let me just try this. Okay, save streamer py. Hey Emmy, this is test number 1. Stick with the same voice source. Well, once you do one voice source, I believe it caches it, which is why it doesn't have to recalculate the latents. So once you change it to another voice, all you have to do is just make those latents for that voice, and then as long as the settings stay the same, it should be generally pretty quick. My advice, what I've found out so far, is there are 2 variables you can edit, which are samples and iteration. If you bring samples down to 2 and then play around with iteration, bringing samples down to 2 makes generation speed increase by like an order of magnitude, so it's pretty extreme. But the one that I use is the web GUI, the web GUI, and that one has got a lot more knobs you can turn and play around with. And then you can also, apparently there is a way to actually train a new autoregressive model, so I'm playing around with that so I can see how that works. Yeah, the web GUI is by some other guy, but yeah, if you just search it up, it's on a git.ecker. I'll show you it real quick. If you're still here, it's this one right here by MRQ. It's actually really good, and it's got entire documentation for it, so it shows you how to use it and everything like that, it's pretty awesome. I think it's much better than the original Tortoise one. So yeah, this one you want to play around with. Okay, so it's having an issue reading my tort.yaml. Tort.yaml is here. What in the world is happening? Okay. That's why packages. Okay, that should be it, right? Packages or package. I forgot that I'm running this one from a different directory. Hey Emmy, question number 1. It's 2:02. I gotta get going. copy path. Here, let me just move this Tortoise-tts out into this area and it should work. Move into assistance. Yeah. Okay. Let's retry that. Hey Emmy, question number 1. Interesting. Okay, well, hold on. Well, it's still not getting it. Hey, Emmy, question number 1. What? What? What's happening? Something's happening here. Save as test. No file. What? Why is there no Tortoise-tts? Hello? What? Should be loading it in. Hold on, let me see what is it trying to do? No, that's dumb. Concatenate string. Okay, cool. Well, that's so stupid. Okay, well, that's stupid. Either I'm stupid. Let me just change that real quick. Load. Config with load. Okay. Hey, Emmy, question number 1. Hey, Emmy, question number 1. Hey, Emmy, question number 1. Okay, so it's looking for in package. Okay, let's try that again. Hey, Emmy, question number 1.
Yes, sir, madam. How may I assist you?
Okay, good gracious, Jesus. Okay, I won't be forgetting how I did that. Tortoise API. Run. Take this out. Okay. Thank you so much, Jaden. You're reminding me I should be heading out soon, so I'm gonna head out after this complete generation. And yeah, thank you for tuning in today. Hey, Emmy, it looks like your programming is currently working. Do you have any comments?
Oh, thank you for noticing, dear host. I live for the moments when our technical difficulties are minimal.
Well, that's awesome. Can you tell me a short little story about how technical difficulties suck? Okay, whisper takes time.
Why, certainly. Once upon a time, there was a streamer who had everything going for her. But suddenly, her internet connection decided to play hooky, and she was left with nothing but a spinning wheel and a chat full of angry viewers. The end. Technical difficulties truly are a joy to behold.
Awesome, cool. Quit. Oops, well, I guess I didn't.
Oh, I see we've reached
program
the
that
end of
into
our
it.
conversation. How unfortunate. Until next time, dear host.
Alright, cool. Well, that's going to sum it up for today's stream. Looks like I got the .yaml working so that I could edit a configuration file for Tortoise and have Tortoise actually working into the streamer Python function here and module. So yeah, that is going to be it for today. And I'll see you guys next time for another stream where I work on additional things.